Did you know that creating stunning watercolor abstracts can be as easy as following a few simple steps? In this video, you will learn to create a dreamy watercolor abstract on paper, perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. So in this video, I am using just 3 colors to do the painting. They are phthalo blue, titanium white gouache and green gold. And if you see, I'm also using a palette knife to do the initial part of the painting. And I had used palette knife to apply the titanium white gouache. Now after I have applied watercolor and gouache on my paper, I'm just using water spray and I'm allowing the paint to move on its own. The key to abstracts when it comes to watercolors especially is leaving of white space. It's essential to leave white spaces because it is like giving more room to your imagination. A key to note is that we should not use a lot of water as well, as this may cause too much of mixing happening on the paper. Next color that I am applying is green gold. And after that, I'm using my straw to do the blowing technique. So this is it. We've done a watercolor abstract painting, and after the painting completely dries, I'm just adding a few details with my gold ink. And I'm pretty much happy with how this has turned out to be. I hope you enjoyed these tips, and I'm pretty sure that these tips will help you get started with your first watercolor abstract painting. The key to watercolor abstract painting is that not overdo any part, whether it is spraying of water on the paper or whether it's adding paint in the initial stages. It is just that everything should be done in moderation. There you have it. Our painting is ready. I hope you enjoyed this process. Do like and subscribe if you would like to see more of our tips and tutorials. Thank you.